Volvo Trucks was the world's first truck manufacturer to introduce a stability program that handles both truck and tractor combinations with all kinds of trailer applications. The main function of Volvo's electronic stability program is to prevent rollovers and avoid jackknife situations. The electronic stability program continuously registers lateral acceleration, steering wheel angle, and wheel speed. If the system detects a rollover risk or abnormal skidding, it reduces engine power and regulates the brake pressure for each individual wheel. Depending on the type of trailer that is connected, different brake interventions are made to the trailer, increasing the stability of the entire rig. The electronic stability program is part of Volvo's efforts to continuously improve road safety. In this case, our main concerns have been the driver and the surrounding road users.